Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury home decor and interior design. Whether you're looking to elevate your living space or add a touch of opulence, we've got ideas that will inspire your inner designer. Let's explore how to turn your home into a masterpiece of luxury living. Define luxury in interior design. Luxury in interior design is all about sophistication, elegance, and exclusivity. From high-end materials to intricate details, every element plays a part in creating a space that feels refined and timeless. But luxury doesn't always mean expensive, it's about blending quality and style to achieve a bespoke look. Furniture and layout. Investing in statement furniture pieces is key to luxury decor. Think plush velvet sofas, sleek marble coffee tables, or custom-designed armchairs. The layout should promote both functionality and flow, creating a balanced and inviting space. Remember, less is more when aiming for a sophisticated aesthetic. Textures and materials. Rich textures and materials elevate any design. Incorporate sumptuous fabrics like silk, cashmere, and leather, paired with finishes like polished metals, glossy wood, or natural stone. These elements add depth and character, making every corner of your home feel exquisite. Color palette. A luxurious color palette often includes neutral tones like ivory, taupe, and charcoal, complemented by bold accents such as emerald green, navy blue, or gold. These hues create a timeless appeal while allowing you to infuse personality into the space. Lighting magic. Lighting is the secret weapon of luxury interiors. Chandeliers, pendant lights, and recessed lighting not only illuminate but also act as stunning decor pieces. Consider dimmable options to create an ambience that transitions from day to night seamlessly. Art and accessories. Luxury is in the details. Invest in unique art pieces, sculptures, or curated collections that showcase your style. Accessories like crystal vases, metallic mirrors, and designer throw pillows can enhance the overall vibe. Don't forget the power of fresh flowers to add life and elegance to your home. Smart home features. Integrating technology is a hallmark of modern luxury. From automated lighting and climate control to voice-activated assistants, smart home features add convenience and elevate the experience of everyday living. Luxury interior design is about creating a space that reflects your personality and lifestyle while exuding elegance and comfort. With these ideas, you can transform your home into a luxurious haven. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.